In this video, we are going to connect Tailwind CSS with React. For that purpose, we are just going to browser and search for Tailwind CSS. We can see framework guides. Click on that, and you will have a lot of frameworks here. But we created application with React Vite. Vite or Vite, whatever you say, but we cannot find it right in the frameworks guide. So how can we find it? So our project is made by Vite plus React. So we will go down and we can see these are the all frameworks. You cannot find the Vite, but we can see here Vite plugin. Just click on it. Once you click, you will find. Okay, let's go. Now you can see here. Just click on it. You will see steps to connect your Tailwind CSS with React. So we can do it by copying this command. First command npm install Tailwind CSS @Tailwind CSS -Vite and just install. So here we can see we have to install it in our root. So we can see here, and you can open like this in the terminal. So I have already opened, so I am going to shift to my original terminal. So here, so just click install. So, packages are being installed. So we will wait for a short period. So we have completed installation. Now we have to go for the second step. In the second step, we have to connect our plugin to our React application. This is done by just copying these lines to the vite config.js file we have right here in the root directory. Just click in it. You can also type here, and you also can copy those lines here. So if you copy, you just have to copy and you have to paste here where we have typed. Then you have to connect it with the React in the plugins. So just we are going to write Tailwind CSS here with the React, because the React is already connected. Now we are connecting Tailwind CSS. So this is done in the vite config.js. Now the third step, we have to write @import Tailwind CSS in our main CSS file, which is connected to the index.js or main.js, whatever we have a root. So in the main, we have index.css. So this is our root file. So we have to just connect here. So this is command we have to copy, and this is not a command, this is just a line we have to copy and put it here. So if we go, we have to rerun the project. So you have to rerun the project because we have updated the config.js file, vite config.js file. So once you rerun, then you can apply the Tailwind CSS. So here I am applying. You can see that I'm getting all my. I can now apply Tailwind CSS to my project. I can give other properties. So you can see that all the updates are